pass this car in the snow. So today we're getting the biggest snowstorm of the year. I figured it would be a satisfying time to figure out how good this car is in the snow. I haven't driven it in the snow yet, so today is going to be a learning experience. Is it good? Is it not good? Are we going to have pedestrians going in front of us when we can't stop? Probably. Also, ignore the low-tone rumbling. I installed an exhaust, and it's rattling against the car. And I need a lift and a bracket made to fix it. Drive a sports car in the snow. Let's do that. Let's see if we can even make it past this hill. Please, go green. Go green, go green, go green. It's not going green. We're just gonna have to wing it. Mr. Trucker Guy. I'm flooring it right now. Woo! We made it. Made it onto the road. That was close. Yeah, let's drive a sports car in the snow. Let's see how many times we can get stuck. Oh yeah, look at all that dirt on the car. Not really afraid of driving in the snow. I've driven in the snow before. So we're at 35. 35, it's pretty sturdy actually. From what I hear, it's actually, the highway's closed south of here, about 10 miles from here. It's closed for about 22 miles, which sucks for people trying to go that way or come from that way. So we slipped a little bit. So this isn't so bad, just driving 45. It's the changing lanes that I'm going to have to do. And hitting those ruts with all the water and slush in them. Yep, 25 miles to empty. And then right up here, actually, is a turn that I need to do. Only problem with this turn is it's got a hill. Here's the hill I'm talking about. Looks like they put a little bit of dirt on it, so that's good. There's our anti-lock brakes. Complete stop. And I've got the car floored and not floored. Floored. There we go. Alright, up to 20. So we got a dip here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stop before the dip, look for any cars, and then try and get up it. Flooring, flooring, flooring. Ah, okay. I'm on the road. Yeah, definitely not plowed. As I suspected. But I seriously, I have the car floored right now. My foot is to the floor. We're gonna get stuck. I have it floored. There's nothing I can do. Alright. Come on. Don't get stuck. Don't get stuck. I don't need to get stuck here. And there goes the back end. Well, we turned around successfully. The back end's just sliding out. Don't give it so much gas. Alright, no cars coming from the left. Lowering it to the right. There we go, some traction. Oh dear. This car doesn't go in the snow. It's impractical. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it up this hill. And even if I can, it's not the safest hill to go up. Oh. Oh, come on, come on. A little bit of traction. A little bit of traction, come on, come on. Don't slide off the road. Oh dear. That guy's probably thinking I'm an idiot. That was sketchy. We're good. So if you live in a flat area where you don't have to accelerate, there's no hills, and there's no hills that have like a grade to them. If you live in an area with hills that have a grade, this car is not for you. In fact, anywhere where it snows, this car is not for you. I keep sliding out. Stop sliding. I'm going up this hill sideways. I mean, if I had to stop on a hill, that's game over. That's not happening. I'm specifically going in directions where I don't have to stop on a hill. So keep that in mind. Did you guys see the front of the car? just slid over to the right a little bit. Yeah, we're not even gonna try the highway. We're gonna go this way. I'll bet my dad's out shoveling snow. We should go see him. Ask him if he wants to go do donuts. Which is gonna be a no. I know that for sure. He's not gonna want to go do donuts. He didn't want to go for a ride in it anyway when I first got it. You gonna come do donuts with me?
No, I've got an appointment here in a minute.
Ah.
But I'd sure like to.
He would sure like to, he says.
Right now I'm gonna get this truck out.
Well, not with my car in the way, you're not.
I'm gonna get it in the garage.
Oh. Looks like he's taking that one, I guess. Let's f him a little bit. You know, one of your taillights is out.
Which one? Are you kidding me?
Yeah. Oh, it's great.
Watch out of that door. You won't be taking pictures of me.
It's video.
No.
Well, that was fun. We're already stuck. I'm seriously, we're already stuck. I'm flooring it. Let's go backwards a little bit and then forwards. Alright, we'll have to take off snow mode. This car is so impractical. Alright, let's go regular mode. Traction control off. Oh, there's a car coming. Can't do that. come on around. I'm just dilly-dallying here in the road. Trying to make a turn. But I can't. I am stuck on flat ground. This is stupid. Let's get back into snow mode. Ooh, check this out. Over here. Ah! And then get stuck. Because that's what you do. You get stuck. Stuck in the snow. Because your car is too low. Your car's too low for the snow. And we're out of gas. What if we just spin the wheels? Eventually we'll get out, right? It's working. Hill start assist not available. Service event. So many errors.
Go for it. Too close to the curb now. See, that's a curb right in front of you.
Is it?
Well, I was hoping it would slide this way a little bit.
Yeah.
I'll be all right,
All right.
I think.
Okay.
I just gotta wait for these cars.
3 foot. Okay.
There we go. Well, that was nice of that gentleman. I don't know if that's a good idea. Let's find out. Don't hit the curb now. Snow's deep. Just having a little fun is all. A little bit of fun. Then we can run away. Sideways. Oh, it looks like the ABS fixed itself. I no longer have an ABS light. That's good. almost want to... Oh, shit, I forgot about that speed bump. So I took the traction control completely off, and I'm in regular driving mode. And I actually find this to be easier than the snow and wet mode, because I can actually like feel the car more. I don't know if that makes any sense. Yeah, I think... So anybody who owns this car, in the snow and wet mode, it's completely worthless. I think that it's probably better in regular driving mode. Because the snow and wet, I mean, there's zero power, there's zero doing what you want it to. It just does what it wants. Oh, right, I forgot this is a one-way only. See, I can actually feel the car, and I feel like I can drive it better when it's like this. So, I don't know. If you're getting a Mustang and you drive in the snow, like this guy, put it in regular mode. Regular mode with traction control completely off. I'm gonna get some gas and see if we can make it home. See how many people have done donuts in the church parking lot. Looks like a couple. Couple people have. I'm not here to do donuts. I'm just checking to see who's done donuts. They go sideways. Just a little bit. Alright. Well, first of all, got a little bit of mud up on the side there. Ah. There's a little bit there. A little bit of fun there. A little bit of fun. That's actually not as bad as I was expecting. There's a little bit of fun. That parked pretty good. Almost right on the line. A little bit of slush up in there. A little bit of slush up in there. Cool. Yeah. So, if you want to drive your Mustang in the snow, do it in regular mode. I'll see you guys.